This video clip with a Vauxhall Cavalier with the Suzuki turbo diesel engine, and we've run our winch here. So we're doing here, we're changing the clutch, and we're just going to separate the engine from the gearbox, and we can get up underneath here, and we got a clutch from the bottom. Just separate the engine from the gearbox. So the clutch out, you can see yourself there. Clutch is on the rivets, so it's well wore. So we replace the clutch with a QH Quinton Hazel. So the next operation now, we're cleaning the flywheel. We'll check the leaf spring, change the leaf spring, and we'll fit the clutch. That's our next operation. So underneath there, we're standing on the engine here, so we can get her for the bottom. You need to separate her. And this is one way of doing it. Another way you can do it, you take the transmission. This way is just handier for me. Don't have to get the cross member. Cross member still stays intact. And I'll just put her all back in and then clean her up and change the bearing. And our next step now will be to put in a new clutch and change the bearing. That's our next operation. So that's one way of doing it. You just slide back the engine there. There's plenty of room. And you doff a few pulleys in front there, give you more room off the engine mount there. So the whole engine will slide forward. Have a few pipes there. So it'll allow you to let the engine forward, off the old turbo pipe at the bottom. The whole thing will slide forward, and off the old power steering pipe there. So that's one way to put in the Vauxhall engine, or the clutch. Just slide back the engine from the transmission. For next operation now, we're going to put the new clutch in and change the leaf spring. That's our next operation. Now our pressure clutch back in, and we've got our centralised. So you put an on key in the hole there, and the clutch plate, and line her up. So now we're going to tighten up the pressure plate. That's our next step. Now we're going to tighten up the pressure plate studs here. And our 6 tighten up. So we're going to tighten them up, then we'll put the engine back onto the transmission. And that's our next operation. Now we've got our clutch back in, all lined up. Next operation, we can put the engine back onto the transmission. That's our next step on our Vauxhall Vectra clutch swap. Now the engine back in, and one engine mount here, and we'll put the chain off here. We've got our next operation. Now we've got our engine back in again here, and we're all our bits and bobs tightened up here, so we'll give her a wee go here now. Just hold her there. We'll start her up here. At the end of our Vauxhall Vectra clutch swap on our Suzuki 1.7 TDI turbo diesel, and today we used the QH Quinton Hazel. First, one way to connect the clutch from the Vauxhall Vectra. Slide the engine forward, plenty of room, off a few pipes here and pulleys and mounts. So you're sliding the whole engine forward and taking it out to the bottom. It saves against the cross member and saves against the transmission. That's just another way of doing the clutch on your Vauxhall. So that's it for now.